स्टडी IQ IAS, आपका सिलेक्शन हमारा मिशन।
On one side, there was T.S. Eliot, W.B. Yeats, W.H. Auden, all these writers talking about the complex issues that were concerning the modern 20th century of that time. However, on the other hand, there was this writer, 20th century writer, that is Philip Larkin, who did not concern about the mythical lands or talking about any of the concerns that these poets were addressing. But what did he talk about? Cheap rented rooms, the cloudy atmosphere that was outside, the growing old, and getting awareness that ultimately this life will come to an end. So all those ideas that perturb us in everyday life, जो हम लोग कभी-कभी सोचते हैं, so those were the ideas that were addressed by Philip Larkin. Simple poetry but profound thoughts. Simple words but extremely moving messages which actually made you think. That talked about certain mundane concerns of life, but those concerns which bother us every day. So that was Philip Larkin, a very important poet in UPS English Literature syllabus. Today we will be discussing a few of his poems which are there in your course. So if you all are interested, make sure that you watch this video completely, because today we're discussing a great work of Philip Larkin. So moving ahead, next please, ये एक first poem है आपके course में, and look at the title of this. Next please. So waiting for the future. We spend our whole lives waiting for something great to happen in the future, like waiting for a fancy ship to arrive. So this is actually about death. And कह रहा है कि हम लोग किसी चीज़ से satiate नहीं होते. We humans, whatever that we achieve, it might be huge, big, massive, profound. However, we are always looking for something else. Next, please. Next क्या है? What is there next in my life? So वो कह रहा है कि as we are waiting for some grand ship to arrive. However, Larkin said that the only ship that is guaranteed to arrive for all of us is death. A silent black ship. तो वो बात करता है, it's a beautiful poem where he really talked about that, that how we are desperately waiting for a certain kind of a ship. We think that, कोई बहुत ही खूबसूरत सी ship आएगी, but we do not know what is there next in our life. But one thing that we sure is that black ship, which symbolizes death. And death is certain, death is guaranteed. So I know कि बड़ी grim और dark poetry लगेगी, but he talks about the realities of life. You can't escape it. So he is the one who tells you the truth. Other poets might be trying to hide it, but he is the one who blatantly tells you that this is the truth of life. Now the main message, stop wasting time wishing for a magical future. So ये बहुत ही अच्छी line है, and I think very relevant for today's time, the world that we live in. That's stop looking for something that is not within your reach, or maybe that is something it is just that does not satiate our hunger at all. However, don't look for a magical future, but because time moves fast and life ends in the same way for everyone, so live your life as it is. Give your best. Do whatever that you're doing, but give your best shot. Okay, so this is something that he is saying. Deceptions. Next poem है इनके आपके course में. A sad true story based on a real report about a young woman in Victorian times who was sexually assaulted. So this is about a woman, and we all know Victorian era में कितना patriarchal, suffocating atmosphere था for women. And this he's talking about, that a woman who was sexually assaulted, it was no fault of hers. And Larkin shows pity. So who was deceived? So Larkin shows pity for the victim, but says the attacker was also deceived by his own dark, selfish desires that brought no real happiness. So this girl was sexually assaulted by this man, the one who attacked her, the attacker, वो भी deceive हुआ, because the happiness that he was expecting was very short-lived. And this is the reason it is named as Deceptions. So the main message is a critique of how harsh, lonely, and unfair the world can be to vulnerable people. So in a way, he's trying to say that we all are subject to vulnerabilities of our lives. We all think that, that we might get this and we will be happy. We might get that, we will be happy, but we all are subject to deceptions. Even the person who is doing good or the person who is doing that. For instance, if someone feels that killing that person is going to satiate that hunger or give that happiness, but ऐसा नहीं होता है. Even that person is getting deceived, and the one who has been attacked is deceived for sure. So can you see, this is deception. This is an illusion that we live in, the world that we live in. He talks about that. So can you understand the profundity of his poems? Aren't they just too beautiful to ignore? I mean, you just cannot, think about them. So this is the reason that this is included in your course. Then you have Afternoons, growing old without noticing. It's late summer and young parents are sitting at a playground watching their kids play. So ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत poem है, because this must have happened with everyone throughout across the world who have watched their children grow up. Your parents must have also done the same. So it's late summer. शाम का वक्त है, थोड़ा late summer है, and young parents are sitting at a playground watching their kids play. Okay, it's a very beautiful scene. These young mothers used to have romantic, free lives, but now their days are filled with routine, chores, and taking care of others. So can you understand one thing? अब बात होती है motherhood पे. अब there are people who are talking about, the postpartum stuff and, the kind of duties and responsibilities they get after motherhood. But Larkin spoke about this in 1960s, long way back, when nobody used to even think, सब सोचते थे ये तो mothers का काम है, इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है. But no, he addressed these issues and he says that, it's not easy. These young girls, they were free, they were full of life, they had those romantic feelings, but right now they're exhausted. They just are looking after the children, and these young girls, all that they have to do is look after their children. Okay, so this is, can you see the empathy that Larkin had? Not only that, he's only addressing a male issue, a concerns that is only pertaining to his gender, but no, his poetry transcends gender boundaries as well, talking about women as mothers. Now, as children grow up, parents quietly step into the background of their own lives, and time slips away without a big dramatic moment. So, this happens with everyone. That, as we grow up, we don't even know, we don't even realize the sacrifices that our mothers have done, our parents have done, and we slowly, not deliberately, but ऐसा हो जाता है, वो shift आ जाता है. जो shift आता है नहीं कि बहुत dramatic shift हो कि आज मैं घर से जा रहा हूँ या something like that. It's a very, very subtle movement. It just happens on its own, and this is what we term as life. And this is exactly what he's talked about in Afternoons. Next poem is Days, a simple question. The poem starts like a children's rhyme asking, what are days for? The simple answer is to live and be happy in. So can you see the beauty of these poems? They are so simple, they're so subtle, however, they will make you think. So as I said, not that they're asking some, questioning the grand narratives or, talking about something that is profound, but they're talking about things which are so simple. Okay, what are days for? To live and be happy. So now, then it asks where we go when a day ends, showing how fast time moves. So it's like, it is also talking about the timeline that, we don't even realize that where and how the time is slipping. So look at 2026, it just started, and here we are in August. So the main message, life is just a short collection of days, and at the end of them, the doctor and the priest are coming for us. The doctor, the one who looks after us medically, and the priest who does the last rites when we die. So this is again, and I understand that he adds a lot of cynicism in his works, but they talk about reality. There is a lot of melancholy also in his work, but then you can't escape the reality of life, and that is what he addresses. Then you have Mr. Bleeny, a boring room, a boring life. So the speaker rents a small lonely room, and here's all about the previous tenant, Mr. Bleeny, who lived a very simple, repetitive life. तो ये मिस्टर ब्लीनी एक किराएदार है, एक वहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, और वो पूरे टाइम जो पिछला किराएदार था वो उनके बारे में बात सुनते रहते हैं, और उनकी लाइफ बड़ी मोनोटनस थी, बड़ी रेपिटेटिव थी. Now, the fear of being average. So the speaker starts worrying that living in the same drab room means he's just as plain and unaccomplished as Mr. Bleeny was. वो बात तो कर रहा है, लेकिन उसको ऐसा लग रहा है as if he's able to see the shadows of Mr. Bleeny in his room, and he's wondering that he might be he might end up leading the same life, a boring, repetitive life, which did not result in anything, and ultimately he died. So now the main message, be worried that our surroundings and daily habits reflect how small or meaningful our lives actually are. So it is true, we look around and we're like, where are we? हम कहाँ हैं? मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? मैं क्यों हूँ यहाँ पे? What am I doing here? And we ask our questions, and these questions crop up when we look around us. That ye to is when we look at the other person, that this is such a boring life that he's leading, but I'm leading the same life. And then you start questioning, and that is where you wonder that, you start questioning about life yourself. Then you have the last poem, easy summary. Okay, so we had these 5 poems. Now you have easy summary for the students. Unlike older, complicated poetry, Larkin uses everyday language. He focuses on simple human truths, getting older, missing opportunities, and the fact that life ends. And he doesn't offer fake happy endings. So this was the 5 points that I want to discuss, guys. This is very much in your course. It's a very, very small snippet of how I take my classes, how I go about my classes. So if you want to be a part of it, iska bahut hi, discussion hota hai. You will get a very enlarged discussion of this with notes that I will be provided by me. Not only that, we discuss all the previous year questions. We discuss all the expected questions. And of course, the most important thing is, if you've understood the analysis of the poem, the novel, the drama is never about what is the story of the poem or what is the story of the drama or the novel. It's about what is it trying to say? What is the analysis of this? What is the scrutiny of this? How are you going to examine this work? So thematic concerns become very important. Your UPSC paper is all about themes and themes. कि इस book में क्या बोला गया है. ये नहीं पूछेंगे कि इस chapter में क्या हुआ था, इस poem में क्या हुआ था, ऐसा क्यों हुआ था, why did it happen? So make sure, guys, that you be a part of the classes if you really want to get a holistic knowledge, if you really want to improve your writing skills, your speaking skills, your reading habit, and of course, if you want to finish your course in time, be a part of it. I'm starting with my classes on 10th August. Remember this date. 10th August, I'll be starting the classes, and the price is 14,999. Every day, 1 p.m., I take the classes. Now, remember one thing, that if you have any question, there is a description box. There's a link there in the comment section as well as description box. Click on it. Contact our sales executives, talk to them, have a word with them, ask them that, if you really have any questions. Made demo classes be, you want to see the way I teach, you want to look at my notes, you can have a look at that. If you want, you can talk to me also. You can ask the sales executive to make you talk to me also. So with this, guys, I'll just be wrapping up this class. Remember, 10th August is the day when we're starting with the class. I really hope to see you all. Be a part of the class, and you will see a lot of improvement in so much aspect of English literature. So thank you, everyone. I'll see you all in the classes.
Study IQ IAS, आपका सिलेक्शन हमारा मिशन.